All right, my big brother just killed a buck, so we're gonna get down from the stand. Kevin brought his horses down to train for packing elk, so we're gonna go get those horses and quarter up this deer and put it on the horses and have a little fun. Yesterday was a great day as well. Isaac killed a nice buck. It was pouring down rain, so unfortunately we didn't get much video of that, but hopefully we can insert some pictures for you. So let's go check out this buck my brother just got.
Just about got to do. I was looking down the fence row at the beautiful sunrise and just enjoying listening to the water. And I just happened to look over the side of me. Here comes the buck running down through the field. And he stopped about 35 or 40 yards. And I had to set my coffee down and shoot him.
Oh, Kevin's calling. Let's get this. Hey.
Where's your call from?
Yeah, I was seeing if you were coming here or going to get the horses first.
You're across the street and get the horses.
Okay, I'll be right there to help you.
Okay, cool. Thanks, sir.
All right, bye.
Yeah, sounds good. I just got on this lunge. I didn't shoot the heart or anything.
Yeah.
You know, just but you know, all these videos you watch, how they say they jump up and kick when you mortally wounded them. He did exactly that. Exactly.
Oh, that jump buck.
Jump kick. I was like, man, I don't know if I've just never noticed it before. Maybe both, you know, see it. And like he did it the right. I'm not really sure. Before he did that, you know, he really didn't go that far at all. But I was nervous because he's going down to that creek and at the top. And I thought, man, if he gets in there, he's going to wash all the way down.
Oh, yeah.
You know, but he died with his head up on a log. I wish I'd have left him. I've already drug him off.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Let's go see this big boy.
It was just beautiful. Just sitting there with the water running.
Yeah, you can't hear much with the way that creek's running.
No, I never heard a thing. I didn't even hear him when he hit the fence.
Really?
What made me kind of like, oh no, is like he was just out there 40 yards. Just right in the screen middle bottom. Just
Really?
in the middle. No, just perfect, clear shot. I'll show
So
you
that could have been a bow shot then, maybe.
Well, I could have got him with the bow. My bow shot was further.
Really?
Yeah. You know, my bow shot was like, so, yeah, I shouldn't say further. I don't know, it's just funny. In my mind's eye, everything's inside that scope. When I got the scope on him, because I just seen him running down through there, Glenn, and I set my coffee down and got my gun off my lap and turned around. And when I turned around, I saw the antlers, and I just pulled down and boom, it was that quick. It wasn't even like I got to do a lot of planning and stuff. He kind of put the brakes on, looked at me, and boom. And then he just jumped up and kicked, jumped over the fence, went off the hill. I could see that rack on both sides of his head as he jumped. And then I saw, and I followed the blood trail down there really slow, and I just kept getting up in case he was done. Yeah,
Okay.
He was, within a minute, he was done. I've never got anything out of this thing.
Oh, wow. Yeah, he hit the fence hard.
And he basically ran a straight line, so it was not a bow shot.
Yeah.
So he was kind of on just below that berm up there. He ran straight. You can see his tracks where he was.
Yep. See all the hair where he hit?
He just ran right down through there.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's where he went in. Look at down through the edge. Glenn, I think this work we've done in here, cleaning them cedars out and just letting that go, this has just turned into be absolute. He was coming right to this.
Yeah.
I really believe this is their corridor that they're using now.
Oh, wow. He's dandy. Woo!
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm happy with him.
Heck
I'm proud
yeah.
of him. He's got lots of fat in him too. He'll be good meat.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Let me get this creek running behind you. There's a cool shot. Good deal. Hey,
Good morning.
cool. Let's see what we can get down here.
I think we can knock it out.
Yeah?
Get him across that creek.
We've already got it. I helped him drag it up into the field, so
Is there a place to tie horses off somewhere?
yeah. Yeah, we can put him right there by the water.
Let
me-
about that creek. How they do.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let me go get Sawyer up. I think these guys know they're getting ready to do something. Huh.
We're gonna try Flick It today. Yesterday we used LJ. She gave us a little bit of a rodeo show. But it could have been a lot worse. It was her first time packing a deer, and quite frankly, my first time loading one by without somebody who knew what he was doing. So I'd say all in all, we did a B+. We'll see how Flick It does today. She's a little more calm than the young one, so I expect she'll be all right. Crossing the creek, on the other hand, might be a different story. It's up pretty high.
You walk across the front? Yeah. You're okay, baby. You're okay. Okay. What's that? What'd you say?
She might be standing.
The girls did good.
Pretty good. I think we might switch over to Flick It being the pack horse. I'll ride LJ. She gets a
little older, maybe.
little rodeo-like right now. But Flick It had her nose right in there and there's the grass right next to it.
Yeah.
To the meat. She don't seem to be bothered. So we'll see how it goes with her. And it's a good day, my friend.
Yeah.
This is a good day.
Good things coming with Dallas horses.
I
Wow.
hope so. I smell the mountains. And I ain't talking about bush. This has been quite an adventure. It's a rainy weekend on Saturday, windy and kind of just crazy wind on Sunday. And this morning it was crystal clear and quiet, good frost. And I actually woke up, well, I didn't wake up late, but I was lollygagging in the cabin and got out late. And got up to my stand and sat there for a little while. Squirrels were all over. Thought I'd try some rattling sticks and rattle for 2 or 3 minutes, put them away. About 10 minutes later, this guy come off the hillside in the thicket and turned broadside. And I missed a deer Saturday, and I was hoping for another opportunity, actually praying about it. And well, here it is. And I walked over to him to get him. I didn't realize he was this big. This is one of the biggest deers I've shot. I was pretty pretty shook up when I got over there to him. But anyway, this is what we've been looking for, and we just give God the glory and thank Him for the opportunity. You guys have a blessed day.